Hi, welcome guys. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Panasonic 1000W combination microwave oven. The Panasonic NN CT56JB model in black, convection grill and microwave oven. Okay, let's get on with unboxing it. Bottom glass bit that you get in a normal microwave. That out, it looks like it's pretty good condition. This is why I always video unboxing, because if there's any damage and you've just opened the box, it shows it say it wasn't you and that. As you can see, basically these are the same width. This is 51 centimeters, this is 50. So it's basically the same size. Depth wise, it's almost the same as well. So, yeah. Quite a few more options on here, so you can see it. There's 1 hour, 10 minutes, 1 minute, micro power, convection oven and grill. It's a bit slippery on the surface here. Could have done with some, I don't know, rubber pads. It's got a light inside. There we've got the grill at the back, and I'm not sure if that's the fan. It could be. We'll turn it on soon. The convection oven part needs to be run for 5 minutes prior to use to remove any grease or any other chemicals from the manufacturing process. Just so that you get it off before you end up cooking, which it could go into the food. So convection, press the convection again, there we go, that's how we turn it up. So I've got to put it at 220 and then it said 5 minutes, so is that an hour? I don't want hours. 5, I press stop. Plus I probably need to set the time actually. Alright, let's go back to this. 220. Then it's going to ask for the time. Oh, press start. So that started. It's counting down for 5 minutes. So there we are, we've got the oven on. Now's a good time to have a look for the manual, how some of the foods are cooked. What I've done here is I've removed the plastic ring with the wheels that the glass sits on, and instead put the enamel coated metal tray so that any grease and chemicals on there will also get burnt off. So I've had the microwave 5 months now, and this is how the setup is. And you put stuff on there and it microwaves fine, and you sometimes can use it with just the metal grill. All the instructions on here on what to cook is in the manual, which has got a lot of times and things for recipes and types of food that you might want to cook, an auto cook, junior menus. If you need any help with this, you can always leave a comment. I generally see my comments quite soon after they're posted, so I can reply. Now what I do, one more thing, setting the time on the microwave, and you've got timer clock. Press that twice, and then we want the hours. So it's 4 o'clock, so I need 16. And then the minutes on 10 minutes. So you can jump 10 minutes, you know, then the minutes. Simple as that. And then when you're finished, just press timer clock again. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. You can also check out any other videos. I've got the video of the Opti grill although there is a newer one out now, which has got like a thermometer, guide level. We've got the 1 cup, that's also reviewed. Been going for years, it's brilliant. I've had to descale it only once since I've had it. I need to probably descale it again soon. And then if I fancy a nicer coffee, then I've got my Bosch, which is also reviewed. That's a good machine. The water tank lasts ages. It's quite surprising. Although I don't use that, I maybe use that once in a couple of days when I've got guests. Just give you a quick view of my fish before we go.